Hello friends, what do you see behind me? This is the stage when our Honorable Minister N. Biren Singh and Nitin Gadkari, Transport, Road and Highway Minister will come and lecture here. This is I am showing and will show in details later.
I request now Kaimai Cookie to come and give their gifts. The Kaimai Cookie, Kaimai. Thank you. Now I request the Honorable Chief Minister Manipur to come and give a short speech. Okay. Wrong way, Lu form. I request the Honorable Chief Minister Manipur to come and give his speech.
Ngasi se akhoi Tamilnadu gi praja sing aduga Manipur gi praja gi yamna history koiba yamna nungai ba numit si Honorable Union Minister Gadkari ji na su thousands of crore gi inaugurate tobirame adagi launch tobirame adag ma amina bada akhoi handakta governor gi Minister of State in charge biba Honorable Minister Sri Verma ji su yore aduna ai wa yam ngango gi ai laminari ba Inko Maharaj adagi Honorable Minister Singh, Honorable MLA Singh, aduga NIDCL gi office bearer Singh, aduga engineer Singh, aduga security personnel Singh. यहाँ में जो रात दिन जो काम कर रहा है, adagi mainly the villagers, like guys जी की खुंजा में हमें support तो बुदो, मधु नंगासी किसी ngambani, adu नाई वही amani तंग है कि यहाँ है after decades, सुकुम भाई कोई की जिरी लंबी हाना मीना खाना रम रबा Truk gadi cepat tayar tangkai putar gas cepat yang anda adu menjadi lambi dua sini. Prime Minister Modi ji na Bharat da Prime Minister head orang kota kena awang Bharat da Nitin Gadkari ji ki makha da lambi ki thong ki pai khalai ba project mayam se masih thagat pa wena. Ai koi haugat la se adu ga aina khara laurak kani mana the Prime Minister ki thagat pa adu ga Nitin Gadkari ji ki thagat pa adu ga BJP leaders ada lagi mayam ki thagat pa madai de mayam na jai na haibiro. Anta haugat se mayam hara ba phondok se. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji ki Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji ki Honorable Minister Shri Gadkari ji ki Honorable Minister Shri Gadkari ji ki Hai riba yare Hai riba akhoi ni jiri lambi sida project yam nungai ba ma double lining ki land compensation ki problem le number so double lining kam kodor ni 400 some crores 480 adu umgi crores some land compensation ki road widening ki Nitin Gadkari ji ga sanction dawr khabe adu na ikoi please ai khoi ki kambirol ki adagi swaida akhoi ki highway manaka tarbe praja sangai na appeal tonging se buji irang ki thong saba delay tawe ana kana no karino ki halle haidana masi akhoi yarangi akhoi tawdana bhona se irang ki thong se akhoi December da target tongoni adu engineer sing kare ke do ki halle na nungai tabale aduna please ai na akhoi ki Rongmai student ki organization ki kari ki mayam nungba ki leiriba swaida leiriba adagi nungkau ki mayam da ai na khungi kanu sungai ne request tawri please thabak ma pham na sang da koi na support orga thong ji thuna loise haidana mayam na encourage tawbiu barak thong su ji ai Nitin ji na haidre September ki last part how the barak thong ji loisen gadabani haidana aduna akhoi barak thong ji ma loisen lagadi irang sima ka loira gadi akhoi the problem le ro aduna wafam khase thamaga once again I villager mayam punamak nakoi gi support na ngasi sigi thabak se success hoibani ado nakoi mayam punamak NIJCL gi engineer sing contractor sing रात दिन काम करता है और सिक्योरिटी रात दिन, तो इसके लिए आप सबको बधाई देता हूं। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। जय हिंद, धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, we now request the Honorable Union Minister, Sri Nitin Gadkari, to kindly give a short speech.
Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Minister from Central Cabinet, my colleague, Mr. Brahmaji, all respectable Member of Parliament, Ministers, Secretaries, and all my dear friends, brothers and sisters. It is really a great pleasure and pride giving me in inauguration of this bridge. I can imagine that how much you have faced the problem because of the bridge, that I can imagine. Today we have decided to give a highest priority for development of the particular the northeast area and particularly the Manipur. We don't have financial resources problem, but we need cooperation from the state government and cooperation from the people. We are working on these bridges and roads for the development of the people of Manipur. I always tell it to the people that the famous statement of American President John Kennedy, that American roads are not good because America is rich, but America is rich because American roads are good. The prosperity is coming from the road. By making this road, we are going to encourage more tourism in this area. And tourism is an industry where it is going to create 49% of capital investment for employment potential. We need to develop market for our agriculture products, for the pineapple, for the ginger, for the garlic, all the things which we have to create more potential for export for that. For that reason, we need good road, and we are very much committed for good infrastructure. The water, power, transport and communication. These are the four important things. Without that, we cannot develop industry. And without industry, we cannot develop employment potential. And without employment potential, we cannot eradicate poverty. This bridge, this road is very useful for the progress of the people of this area. Honorable Minister was talking about all the problems, and that is the reason that this road is the lifeline for the people of Manipur. And I also promised to Honorable Chief Minister that the bridge on the Barak River also, we will complete that bridge before September 8th. I congratulate contractor, consultant, NHIDCL officer for making excellent work. Really, in a limited span, time period, with lot of problems, they succeeded to make this bridge. But the most important request to all of you, when it is in the interest of all of you, why there is opposition from section of people? We need their support. We are making all these things for the development of the people of this area. We want to eradicate the poverty. We want to create employment. We want to develop industry, handloom, handicraft, everything by which the poverty, the eradication of poverty can be possible. And that is the reason that we are giving highest priority for development of infrastructure in Northeast and Manipur particularly. Today I have declared lot of projects. The projects are available on the website of the Chief Minister and given a list to him. In next 2 years, we are going to make the projects of 25,000 crores in Manipur, that is the promise. Only my request to Honorable Chief Minister and the government to resolve the problem of land acquisition. Whatever the reasonable price is there, we are ready to give them. Our prices are very high, but the commercial price is 10 rupees and people are expecting from us 50 rupees. This cannot be possible. So what is the market price? Our price is already higher than that. And regarding law and order situation, we need your cooperation. You give these 2-3 cooperations to me, I will promise you that I will change the total infrastructure of Manipur and give you lot of comforts to you. 100% I will complete my promise. It's really a pleasure for me. The people are getting relief. It is the highest pleasure for me as a minister. Really, I am very much thankful to NHIDCL, contractors, engineers. They done excellent job. I always cautious about the quality. Our policy is good quality, transparency, time-bound implementation, and no corruption. I never know who contractor are working here or there in the country. Never meet me. I am very much particular about all the things that we are very much committed for the quality of the work. I just called the structural engineer asking me a lot of questions regarding how we can reduce the cost. Now we have taken a decision. My Malaysian and Singapore code is already changed. On the basis of that, we are going to take the decision, issue the order that the distance between the two piers, presently it is only 30 meters. But now we are going to increase it by using it to make it up to 120 meters, and by using that beam with the precast using steel fiber. So we are always open for good technology, good innovation, good research. The innovation, entrepreneurship, science, technology, research, skill and successful practices, we name it as knowledge, and conversion of knowledge into wealth is the future for the country. I am really happy for this excellent work. Giving thanks to everybody, the small people who contribute for this. Even the people from this area who help us. And I will complete my promise making this lifeline up to the end of Assam. To make it a good road for you, this is my promise to you. I really appreciate the role of Honorable Chief Minister and his government, the way in which he supports, the way in which he eagerly making follow-up for the project of the state to me, because he is very much committed for the progress and development of the Manipur. His loyalty with the people of Manipur, I really appreciate. I will support him. I will support his government. I will support all infrastructure which is going on, and 100% we will change the scenario of Manipur and make a socio-economic transformation and making Manipur as one of the progressive and developed states. Now all best wishes to you. Already I have given my detailed speech in the program of the fall. I don't want to refer it again to give you more trouble for that. Once again, my congratulations to all of you to getting this breach from core of my heart. I am really happy because the reason is that I am happy because you are all getting relief now. So really that is a great thing and great inspiration and motivation. Once again, thank you very much. Namaskar.